My voice is no longer my voice. Now it is simply a part of your dream. As you drift now, deeper, 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 you are now completely asleep.
Hey, you might want to take another look at this. There's still a couple of typos.
Ducky, no way.
Good morning to all you early risers out there. It is 14 minutes past 6, and are you wearing a hat, Dermot?
I am wearing a hat, Sheila.
Whoa! Sorry. No. Don't worry. I'm just walking. I'm just out for a walk. This is just what I do at night. So sorry if I startle you.
You don't sleep?
No. Do you?
Not a wink.
This is going to sound really weird, but would you like to go watch traffic with me? Do you even remember what it's like to train?
Barely. I do think I'm starting to hallucinate, though.
Ah, yes. Yeah. That's fun.
Is she an insomniac, too?
Banjo? No. Sleeps all day.
Bastard. The amount of money I'm spending on chamomile tea and coffee at the same time.
Yeah. I just used to drink. What's it? Breakfast tea.
It's like bungee jumping. I always think people are mental for doing that.
Yeah, I couldn't do it. I think I'm just risk adverse. It's a pug. The pug has the voice of Werner Herzog.
Oh my god.
It's like, you really need to just look after yourself and don't worry about it. It's like, you sound like Werner
Good job.
Herzog. Yeah.
So soothing.
Yeah. Nice night for it.
I haven't read that one.
Oh, it's really good. It's a really different style for him, so I think you'd really like it. Yeah. Well, you know, I could bring it tomorrow if you'd like. Myself and Banjo are going to be out wandering, so we may see you. Or not. But I could always bring it on the off chance.
Yeah. That'd be great. Thanks.
Okay. Good morning, then.
Good morning.